Do you know that eating eggs with certain foods can damage brain cells and cause dementia? While eggs are considered an excellent food and beneficial for your health, it is crucial to pay attention to what you eat them with and how you prepare them. Unknowingly, eating eggs with some specific foods can increase the risk of cancer and dementia. Today, we will reveal 3 foods you should never eat with eggs because of their harmful combination and share 3 miraculous foods that not only prevent dementia but also improve your eye health. I will continue to bring you the best health information. The number of people affected by dementia has significantly increased, affecting not only middle-aged and older individuals but also young people in their 20s and 30s. This growing problem is mostly due to dietary habits. Every food has specific combinations that enhance nutrient absorption and harmful combinations that can harm our bodies. Understanding this and applying it to our diet is the best choice for our health. Today, we will focus on the best food, eggs, which are rich in high-quality protein, various minerals, vitamins, and countless nutrients. However, it is crucial to pay attention to what you eat eggs with, as it can negatively affect your health and even cause cancer and dementia. That's why in today's video, we will reveal 3 foods you should never eat with eggs to avoid cancer and dementia, and we will also share the 3 best ways to eat eggs. These foods not only prevent cancer and dementia but also improve your eye health. The first food you should never eat with eggs is flour and bread. Many people are accustomed to eating eggs with bread and flour-based foods, and indeed, bread contains eggs and flour as key ingredients. However, this combination is harmful to prevent cancer and dementia. Eggs contain a component called choline, which is a type of vitamin B. This is why eggs are called brain food. Choline is useful in improving memory and concentration and constitutes up to 30% of the components of brain cells. It activates brain functions to improve memory and concentration. It is also used to prevent and treat forgetfulness, dementia, Alzheimer's, etc. Choline is very effective in reducing inflammation in the body, thereby preventing cancer. However, flour negates the effects of choline. When you eat bread, which is mostly made of carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises, producing a lot of sugar toxins. These sugar toxins attack brain cells. If you eat bread and eggs together, it is like a battle in your body. The choline in eggs tries to create a protective barrier for brain cells, while the sugar toxins from the bread try to break this barrier and attack the brain cells. Moreover, if you frequently eat flour-based foods like noodles, bread, egg tarts, spaghetti, and white rice, and already have high blood sugar, the problem becomes more severe. When your body is already overloaded, the protective efforts of choline become futile. This internal battle can lead to cardiovascular diseases like high blood pressure and atherosclerosis, insulin dysfunction, diabetes, and chronic inflammation, which can cause cancer, dementia, and brain disorders. So, instead of flour with eggs, opt for healthier options like whole wheat bread or healthy vegan breads. The first of the best pairings with eggs is pumpkin. The combination of eggs and pumpkin is especially good because the protein in eggs helps with absorption in our body. Furthermore, when you use the fiber of pumpkin with the calcium of eggs, it activates a calm nervous system, reducing anxiety and stress. It also reduces physical tension, bringing stability to both body and mind. It is said that stress is the root of all diseases. Eating eggs and pumpkin helps reduce stress and fatigue in the body. Moreover, using pumpkin, which converts to vitamin A in the body, is especially good for our health. Combined with the lutein and zeaxanthin carotenoids in eggs, it provides powerful antioxidant action that not only protects the retina but also significantly reduces the incidence of eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration. If your eyes feel blurry or your vision is cloudy, try eating eggs and pumpkin. Recommended recipes include pumpkin pancakes or tarts, pumpkin egg rolls, and pumpkin egg soup. The second food you should never eat with eggs is soy products like soy milk and tofu. Some people eat soy milk and eggs together as a breakfast alternative, and many people use them for weight loss and dietary purposes. Furthermore, some people break an egg into hot soy soup and eat them together. However, soy milk and eggs should not be mixed because the trypsin inhibitor component in soy milk destroys the nutrients when combined with the avidin in egg whites. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein that helps prevent muscle loss in the elderly, strengthens muscles, and contains ample vitamins and minerals. When used with soy milk, these beneficial nutrients cannot be absorbed, so they should not be eaten together. If you feel a blockage in your throat while eating eggs, it's better to eat them with milk or water. And one more thing to remember, have you ever drunk tea like green tea or black tea with eggs? This is very bad. Drinking tea after eating eggs when your throat feels dry and blocked, the tannins in tea leaves combine with the protein in eggs to form a tannin-protein complex. This slows down intestinal peristalsis, disrupts the intestinal environment, and causes constipation. The most frightening thing is that it increases the absorption capacity of toxins and carcinogens in the body. Therefore, never consume tea and soy milk with eggs. It is better to eat them with water or milk. The second best pairing for eggs is cheese. Cheese is not only excellent in taste but also nutritionally the best pairing with eggs. Eggs are called a complete food because they contain many nutrients, but compared to dairy products, they are very low in calcium. Dairy products are rich in calcium, so when used with eggs, they complement each other perfectly. Especially since cheese is made from fermented milk, the fermentation process with probiotics reduces the protein content, allowing you to balance each other's nutrition without excessive protein. Finally, the third worst pairing for eggs is apricots. You may not often eat apricots with eggs, but it is very important to remember this as it can be dangerous. Apricots and dried apricots are often used as desserts. Eating apricots after eating eggs can cause mild symptoms like headaches, diarrhea, vomiting, and food poisoning symptoms. In severe cases, it can cause acute gastroenteritis and even more serious conditions. This is due to the astringent taste of apricots, which interferes with the digestion of protein. The tannin in apricots, which is a phenolic compound, combines with protein in the mouth, stomach, and digestive system to form clumps and inhibits the action of enzymes that break down protein in the body, making it very dangerous to eat with eggs. The third best pairing for eggs is apples. Eggs are rich in various nutrients, but they lack vitamin C and dietary fiber. Apples are rich in both vitamin C and dietary fiber. Dietary fiber especially helps with bowel movements, helps remove bad cholesterol from the body, and prevents cardiovascular diseases like atherosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. Especially, it helps in the digestion of protein. Some people feel a blockage in their stomach after eating eggs and have difficulty digesting. In such cases, eating eggs with apples stimulates the secretion of gastric juice, which helps in digestion and absorption. Finally, the way you cook eggs is also very important. When eating eggs, it is important to prepare them in a way that preserves the maximum amount of nutrients without destroying them. First, it is not recommended to eat raw eggs due to the risk of food poisoning. Frying eggs is also not recommended. Steaming and boiling methods are good, but soft-boiled eggs are better than hard-boiled eggs. Furthermore, when making fried eggs, it is recommended to use oils rich in omega-3, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. We have reviewed the 3 worst and best foods to eat with eggs to prevent cancer and dementia. In summary, instead of flour-based foods like bread with eggs, opt for pumpkin to get the best benefits. Do not eat soy products like soy milk or tofu with eggs. Instead, choose cheese. Never eat apricots with eggs. Instead, pair them with apples. Thank you very much. I hope you will take care of your health with this information. If you found today's video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and share this video with your beloved family and friends. I always pray for your health and happiness and will continue to provide you with more useful and informative health information.